detox, and healthy breakfast ideas. Start your day on a delicious and nutritious note with breakfast ideas that support kidney detoxification and promote overall health. Here are some creative and kidney-friendly breakfast options to kickstart your morning routine. Try blending watermelon, pineapple, and kiwi for a refreshing and kidney-cleansing smoothie. Watermelon is hydrating and rich in antioxidants, while pineapple and kiwi provide digestive enzymes and vitamin C. This vibrant smoothie is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that support kidney health. Oatmeal is a versatile breakfast staple that can be customized to support kidney detoxification. Try topping your oatmeal with a mix of berries, such as blueberries and raspberries, and a sprinkle of nuts, like almonds or walnuts. Berries are rich in antioxidants and fiber, while nuts provide healthy fats and protein, making this a kidney-cleansing breakfast option. Consider avocado toast topped with sliced tomatoes and fresh herbs for a savory twist. Avocado is a nutrient-dense fruit rich in potassium and healthy fats, which can support kidney health. Tomatoes are a good source of lycopene, an antioxidant that may help protect the kidneys from damage. Pairing these ingredients with whole grain toast creates a balanced and kidney detoxifying meal. Incorporate these creative and nutritious breakfast ideas into your morning routine to support kidney detoxification and overall health. Whether you prefer a refreshing smoothie, a hearty oatmeal bowl, or a savory avocado toast, these options will satisfy your taste buds while nourishing your body from the inside out. Kidney detox at home. Embarking on a natural kidney cleanse at home can be a simple yet effective way to promote kidney health and function. By using readily available ingredients, you can help your kidneys eliminate toxins and waste products, ultimately enhancing their overall well-being. Natural kidney cleanses offer a range of benefits, including improved kidney function, reduced inflammation, and enhanced detoxification. Incorporating ingredients known for their kidney cleansing properties can help your kidneys perform their vital filtration role more efficiently. To perform a DIY kidney detox at home, prepare a kidney detox drink or salad. One popular kidney detox drink includes water, lemon juice, cucumber slices, and ginger. Lemon juice is a natural diuretic, while cucumber and ginger help flush out toxins and reduce kidney inflammation. Alternatively, you can create a kidney detox salad using ingredients like leafy greens, beets, and parsley. Leafy greens are rich in antioxidants and chlorophyll, which can support kidney health, while beets contain betaine, a compound that may help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. Parsley is known for its diuretic properties, aiding in eliminating kidney toxins. Before attempting a kidney cleanse, it is crucial to consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing kidney issues or medical conditions. They can provide personalized guidance and ensure a kidney cleanse is safe and suitable for your health needs. By taking these precautions and following simple instructions, you can perform a natural kidney cleanse at home to support your kidney health and well-being.